And we are back with more Spider-Man. Hope you guys have been having the time of your lives, whatever it is you are doing in your lives. Hopefully much better than I've been doing. Anyway, where we stopped, this all the wicked people are leaving the prison. So it's a prison break. So it's quite action intense and everything. Anyway, thank you guys for clicking on the video. Thank you guys for being here. If you could drop a like as usual, because you know your boy is going to deliver. This will be another nice one. And subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell button so you will not miss an upload. And without much more talking, let's jump right into this fight or party as Spider-Man called it.
Everyone just quietly go back into your cell and lock the door behind you, okay? Please?
Don't tell me these guys still have gone now. Why is that guy couple? Like, I know the worst guys and right cars, but damn, couple guy. No, let me use that power now. This guy looks like what Jamie Foxx was in that film. Yeah, you can see. He just clears a lot of guys at once. Oh, Iron Man hook boys up. God damn, I'm happy I got these suits. Whoa, we are giving it to them niggas. Eh? That was fast. You have to appreciate that suit, bro.
That doesn't sound good.
The hell is that? Rhino.
Hope you like surprise, Spider.
Surprise? What's he talking about?
To be honest, I know what he's talking about, but I won't spoil it. I saw it in the trailer, as usual. For the truly horny, some of us, whenever the game is about to come out, we used to watch every damn thing that has to do with the release, every mission and demo. Where are we supposed to go? Do you guys have any idea? You know what? To be honest, it might be for the best if we just stay here. We don't know what's outside there waiting for us. A man like Jeffo is not here. If a man like Jeffo was here, he wouldn't let this be. You know what? Maybe there's something from higher ground.
Hey, what's your status?
Me? Just trapped in a prison with every criminal I put away.
This is too good to be true.
Scorpion, can you hold on a minute? I was in the middle of a phone call and it was business.
Spider-Man, yeah, that can sell the carriage the buyer, you go through the fire, you won't believe it. Give jokes you're cracking. I
Not
hope
really.
you did that journey.
Electro, Rhino, and now Scorpion are all on the loose. What's going on in the rest of the prison?
Who knows? Eh? You guys should not vex now. Which kind of blows are those that already remove my life? See, but I'm not even playing this game again. One blow that blow. One blow somebody else that blow. Man, oh wow, I just saw these new niggas. You niggas ain't nothing but just new niggas. Like I'm telling you, but like I'm such a nerd. Like everything I'm seeing is reminding me of one other superhero team. That is just funny. Okay, not really superhero. This also reminds me of another movie I'm going to refer to you guys. If you know what this movie, I don't know who is in your life and why not. 1990 something was one of the best movies of all time for me. Face Off. When these guys were escaping Alcatraz, they had some metal boots and electricity and all that.
Come on, Spider-Man. I thought this was a chase.
Watch Face Off. Anyway, Electro. If you guys ever played Spider-Man, I think it's part 1 or 2 on PS1. Electro was the bad guy. I'll never forget. That one of the first games that made me feel like the smartest guy in the world when I learned how to fight the guy. Like, it's supposed to the place was, I don't say similar, because yeah, graphics have changed a lot and all that.
Go easy on you.
But this kind, It was something similar, it was raining and all that shit.
Nobody ever
My
takes
guy
me
would
up on that
do
offer.
this thing. You have to let him be charging his power up, then you.
Gotcha. Vulture.
Long time no see. We're going to have so much fun.
Sorry, no time to talk.
Still with me, huh?
Okay, I got the security cameras back online.
How's it look?
Well, it looks like the entire population of the raft has escaped, including Martin Lee. That makes 5 of your worst enemies that are now on the loose.
For a second there, I thought you were serious.
I am serious. I have to go. Some of them are heading into the city.
This is nuts.
Only. Avengers, oh, I saw your building when I was traveling.
Party's almost over.
I saw your building when I was swinging around the city. You guys should better come and mobilize yourselves. Cause me, I'm not going to fight every super being that ever lived. No.
How do you like my new suit?
Dashing. Where'd you get it?
It's an exclusive club. Remember, he said not to kill him.
Good idea. In fact, we don't have to do this at all if you don't want to.
We definitely want to.
First and final warning. Stay out of our way. Each of you has a job to do. Your debts will be repaid when we're done. Go!
There he is!
All these years. All these lies. It's over, Norman. Time to give them the truth.
hour, the number of affected civilians
okay?
is approaching half a million.
Fine.
There is still
Can
no
you,
update from the NDC
can you
on
pass
the
those
timetable
out for me?
enhanced
Sure.
drugs, but they are working around the clock on a cure for this deadly disease. The citywide quarantine is being heavily enforced by Sable International, who maintain tight security over all transit points. Throughout the city, police and Sable agents continue to battle with Rikers and Raft escapees. Meanwhile, Mayor Osborn has gone on record blaming Spider-Man for the prison break and citywide sickness, and branding him a fugitive. But he has yet to provide evidence. And many believe the mayor is just deflecting blame, since an exclusive report by the Bugle revealed that this disease originated in a secret, unregulated Oscorp laboratory here in Manhattan. Mayor Osborn insists that Oscorp is working with the NDC on an anti-serum, but has not provided any further evidence to support this claim.
Dr. Octavius, why? How did I let this happen?
Just got a call from the hospital. They said you went AWOL.
I need to get back to work.
The doctor said you still have 14 broken bones.
Which means I have 192 non-broken ones. Thanks for taking care of me, by the way.
The hard part was keeping you hidden from Sable. They've branded you a priority target, you know.
I humbly accept the honor. What is happening to our city, Yuri?
I don't know. Feels like the end of the world. Maybe it is.
Okay, things got really dark really fast there. Golly. You know what? Back to my references. You know what this reminds me of? Yeah, you guys can abuse me and say fam, fuck off, but for real, hear me out. This is really similar to when if you played Batman Arkham Knight, the whole city was evacuated and Crane, that's Scarecrow, was poisoning everybody. Even in the movie Batman Begins, place just looked awful, to be honest. As usual, I'll do all this off screen after this episode.
There's gangs of escaped prisoners banding together and taking over entire city blocks. Looting, strong-arming local residents, you name it.
I'll take care of him. What else you got?
The mayor told Silver Sable to do whatever it takes to find Lee and Octavius. So she's just rounding people up indiscriminately, holding them captive in bases around the city. I've even heard rumors of enhanced interrogation tactics.
You mean torture? Don't worry. I'm on it. This is our city, Yuri. It's time we take it back.
Great. My men are tracking the supervillains. I'll update you when we make progress. For now, do your best to stabilize the city.
Like I said, Shea Avengers are supposed to be somewhere in this world. Hey, Yanks. People, this is not the time to be picking and choosing the moves we use. We just have to survive. Wow, okay, I really didn't expect things to get this dark.
We have reports of multiple drive-by shootings. Reports are coming from the Lower East Side. Over.
Well, for how long will we be doing this though? Because these stable agents are just scattered around the place and clearly they plan on following me. When you want to arrest them, shit, the other prisoners are going to free their goons, so does that do anything for us? I failed. Nah, I didn't fail. Maybe he's just 14 broken bones. I don't. How did he get so bad, people? Now I'm not going to stop this game till I shoot. Till things are back to being sweet.
I think this is proof they weren't ready for civilian life.
Damn. I don't even know what I should record anymore, what I should in this kind. Taking out this nonsense, if it's not a yellow mission, this kind, it's not what
Stable
anything
control.
now.
Requesting status update from East Village.
Observation post established. Situation normal.
Yuri, I've got eyes on a mob of Riker's escapees. They're hunkered down for the long haul.
I'll send a team. But with all that's going on, it might take a while to get enough of my people together.
I don't want to think about what these guys could do in the meantime. I'll handle it. Sleep it off.
There are many, yo.
Put on a cop out.
Niggas are literally just standing and dropping jets. As in, they are dropping jets.
Gonna make you pay for that!
Eh? I don't know if this is the smartest thing to do. Okay. You know, I really wish I was playing with maybe like one of you guys here so I could ask a basic question like, where is that RPG? Normally when I'm playing with me on my boat, me and my
clip wasn't ready.
oh man, this guy knows one here. They haven't really heavy guys. Kind. Normally you say Josh, that guy is behind you or something, go and beat him first, messing your shit up or something.
Spider-Man, from what I can tell, factions that existed within Rikers have stayed together now that they're out.
Explains why they're forming multiple strongholds instead of just one big one. They don't trust each other.
Works to our advantage. They're clumped together, but not so many they can't be dealt with.
Easy for you to say. I gotta go.
Easy for you to say, motherfucking Yuri. Armor easy enough that they can be dealt with. Okay, the RPG guy is definitely over that side. See me yourself. Being loud and proud. Okay, then there's another one where I can see this thing on my back, the target. Forget that thing.
More? How many guys does Rikers hold anyway?
I think it's more than the damn city now. This has to be the last thing. Damn! Damn!
All clear for the cleanup crew. Tell locals they can go to the bodega now.
Nice work. Things are hard enough in this city without it turning into a giant prison yard.
Forget that 10 takedowns thing you people are saying. Niggas, I was fighting for my life. I should return to replay it. You guys think this can have your time, to be honest? Is there any big mission? I'm not going to those prison camps, man, till I don't know. If I ask the babe out and she should bounce me or
Spider-Man,
something.
the Raft MVPs are back on the grid, laying siege to our police precincts. My men need your help, now. Get to a vantage point in Midtown and I'll explain.
On my way. Is it Octavius?
No, 2 of his flunkies, still searching for the doctor. I have to be honest, that one scares me. Might be the smartest supervillain I've ever encountered.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Hold tight, Captain.
You guys hear what Yuri said? She says she has ever encountered. Have you seen Madame in anything that is really dangerous in this game so far? Because she's not encountered. Oh, they are sniping. Ah, nice one.
Peter, I've been trying to reach you all day. Are you okay? The prison break turned the city upside down overnight.
I'm fine, May. Staying safe. I'm more worried about you.
Oh no, don't you do that. Feast is the safest place in the city right now. Our sister locations uptown, not so much. But we're safe and secure down here.
Let's hope it stays that way. I'll stop by when I can, May. Love you.
You too, Peter.
I can't lie, they trying like making it really feel like the city has gone shit. This whole webbing that I'm webbing around the place, and every time I web I'm seeing somebody trying to shoot or
Naval
mark
team,
me.
this is Control. What's the
It
status?
makes you
Hurry
feel
it
like
up.
you're a wanted man. They got the
We
feeling.
were arrested.
Okay, Captain. Got eyes on. Fill me in.
Rhino's assaulting the Upper West Precinct. Electro's at the Upper East. We need you to turn the tide. Head to either. They're both equally screwed.
Ha! Yeah! Am I ready to fight Electro? Golly, whoever is on the right, we'll all go for him first. I still really wonder how close I am to like the end of the game, because this has to be the beginning of the end kind of levels now this time. Probably start taking them down one by one.
We need help at Sister's side uptown.
The Veterans Center in Harlem. What's wrong?
Men from Rikers are demanding food and supplies. The staff are barricaded inside, but they need help. Miles and I are headed there to evacuate the staff.
Don't do anything until I get there, May. I'll meet you in Harlem. May sounds exhausted. I really hope she isn't sick.
I should help your boy out. I really need to know in the comments if you can comment longer or shorter videos, because I just feel weird if I'm making it 30 minutes at the same time. I don't know if that's actually what you guys like, or like maybe to get the game out of the way so maybe we can see a game we've been waiting for.
This isn't good. Transformers are charging the building, trapping the police inside. Yuri, complicated was an understatement. I'm gonna have to disable these transformers to free your men.
Even if you manage that, they'll still need your help with the demons.
That's why I'm here, ready to serve all your electricity and demon-related needs.
I'm coming. Did you guys see how my health dropped as I landed? Something happened to me that me and I
5 transformers total. Loading them up with webbing should cause them to overheat. I hope.
Okay. He said we should web them here. What the actual fuck, guys? This is a lot to contend with. Who is even shooting now? Where is the transformer? Jesus.
How did they even get that thing attached? It can't be easy to fly like that. They trained specifically for this one obscure scenario? So many questions.
You are really dodging for me. See, but you know what? Forget that thing for now. I will not even do it if these niggas don't stop disturbing me. Where are they? Show you who are on this building. For real? Where are they?
Four more of these.
Damn. Damn. I will not lie, this guy I'm feeling. If they wanted Mars to feel overwhelmed this kind of all these stages. I don't want to say the game is too hard right now. You're making me pull out some moves that I don't have, that I didn't know I had. And here again. Look at you. Ah no, I like this focusing really helps, so nothing can. I'll go and get this transformer next. I think that's what I'm supposed to do.
2 down, 3 to go. Man, I did not miss dealing with Electro's elaborate supervillain antics while he was in the raft. Trapping the police with a network of energy transformers? Who does that? Great. 2 left.
This dodging no be here. Oh, he's a ninja man. I can't get him until he should do his move and mess up. Ah, that one I don't know who you're talking that to for. Where's the helicopter?
Only one more.
One more. Is it that one up there? Because the way that building looks, I don't think it's rocket science to say. I don't need rocket science to tell me that if I touch that thing, I'm going to lose health. Okay, I see it now. Man's multitasking like you wouldn't believe.
Police are free, but demons aren't backing down. Need to lend a hand.
Chai! How now? I was in the air, how? Damn! Things are getting tough. No, let's be smart. Let me smart about something. I don't need this tentacle power right now. What I really need. Come on me, bro. Come. He's not coming. Ha! I've come. They tried. This kind, the people, if you don't enter the perimeter, you will not jam them. So all that jobbing up, you wait for them to like do this thing, come and jam you, then you're killing them. You know I made the guy try and catch that thing. I don't know how I run from seeing come on here. If I die this time, I'll cry. Ah, damn, that was tough. Who's left? Just you. You got no one here.
Yuri, your men are safe. What's next?
Get to the Upper West Side. We're trying to shelter civilians, but Rhino isn't making it easy.
He never does. On my way.
I'm not on my way. Yuri, I am not on my way. Guys. When something that's supposed to be sweet and fun starts becoming challenging and annoying, like talking to your girlfriend. I don't have a girlfriend. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I really still don't know how I'll like cut it up, so it won't just be me beating thugs up like you guys see that every other time in the video. So I try and leave chunks and pieces of videos of like stories. So I'll see how I'll be cutting the whole thing up, because I hope this wasn't like a low place to end it on. But yeah, this kind, I'm sure it'll be like somebody will mess up, then even fight them, but let me not talk too much. I think this video will be like 20-something minutes long. So thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
You know who I be, I don't need no introduction. Mr. Spaz on every beat and I can give you a concussion. No, I wasn't late, you niggas just early to the function. And that liquor you be sipping, it be giving you assumptions like